Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you very vaguely how to submit assignments into Canvas. You'll notice that I'm again in student view, which is why you see the hot pink square around my Canvas course. Now I am only able to show you a practice course. So you'll have to make sure that whatever assignment you're turning in, you go to Dashboard and you click on the class you want to submit the assignment in. When you are there, I'm going to go down to Assignments, again under the course that I want to submit the assignment to. You guys will see something that says Upcoming Assignments. So I have practice submission for this video. When you're in the assignment, it will give you a description of the assignment and a submit button. You go down to choose file and you select the screenshot you did of whatever file you want to submit. And you'll see it down here. You can add comments to your teacher like, hey, sorry this is late, I wanted to turn this in early, whatever. I had a question on number 2, so that might be wrong. You can just give your teacher little details. And then you'll click Submit Assignment. This says Submitting. Now before you leave the screen, you want to make sure that you get this Submitted button here. That shows you that it did in fact go through. You can always resubmit an assignment if you get comments or feedback and you want to redo it for a better grade. You can resubmit assignments before they're locked. This is, again, a basic way to submit assignments using screenshotted photos. In order to screenshot on your iPad, you hold the home button and the off button together at the same time. So the button on the right-hand side of your iPad and the home button, you press together at the same time, and that gets you the screenshot. Then that screenshot saves to your photos. And the file upload, you can do it from your photos. I hope this helps.